Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. Hello friends, this is Niloy Khan. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Play Store ID on your Android mobile. So don't skip any part of this video. Watch this video till the end. And before you start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As you can see, here is my Play Store app. First of all, I need to sign in my Gmail ID to enter the Play Store. So I'm going to hit on this sign in button. After that, it will take some time to check the information. Okay, this is the option where you need to put the Gmail ID of which one is created already. If you don't have any Gmail, hit the create account option and follow me. Okay, I'm clicking on create account option. Click on for myself and put your first and last name here. Then hit the next button. In this basic information field, you need to put your birth information and your gender. Here I'm putting my information. I'm selecting gender as male, and then again I'm hitting the next button. This is the main option where you need to put a name for your Gmail account. I'm writing it like Niloy506070@gmail.com. Then I'm clicking on next button. Oops, this username already taken, so in this case I will click on the name below which is suggested for me. Yeah, now it's done. Again next. Here's you need to create a strong password for your Gmail account, so make sure you are gonna create a combination password of letters, numbers and symbols. When you are done, click on next button. As you can see, this is the name of my Gmail account. Click on next. You should read the privacy and terms. I'm scrolling down and then I agree. Again scroll down and press the accept button. We did it. Now we are able to download any app from our Play Store. As you can see, here's our Play Store ID. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Take care.